Today we're at the Hub by Premier Inn in Paddington. We'll have some disappointments with the room, we'll enjoy seeing some top London attractions, and we meet Paddington Bear. But first we have to get there, so let's go. Welcome back to the channel. We're here at the Premier Inn Hub at Paddington and we've just had an eventful check-in. We are now in our room and let's show you around. And there's a hairdryer and wardrobe space. It's quite good what they do with the rooms. They really do utilise the space. And there's a desk area with some drawers and space underneath. Nice big television. So we are in a bigger room with a window. And this is why check-in was stressful, because she tried putting me in a room without a window and I would not have booked a room without a window. So after some discussion, they changed our room, so yay. And there's a chair. And then the bed in a Premier Inn Hub is always like this. The bed's never made, you have to make it yourself, which is a bit funny. It's usually more storage down here. And then I thought that wheeled out, but it doesn't. And yeah, place down there for your suitcase. It is a tight squeeze for the suitcase, but that is quite a big suitcase, because we thought it would be easier just to use one and get everything in it rather than using little ones. And then at the side of the bed, there's a plug socket and a space for your drink, and there's another shelf running along the edge, and then all these different buttons to control everything. Okay, now just turn the lights off. Okay, I'll turn them back on. Yeah, there's different lights, and you can put do not disturb from here. So now I'll show you what it looks like outside, and the other side is the same. And then there's nice artwork, the pillows, and then we'll just go to the bathroom. Bathroom, I like it because it's always a standalone shower, and I always prefer that. Towels, hi, and then the sink, spare toilet roll, a bin, and yeah, decent sized shower head. I'll show you that in the morning. Turns out it fits really well actually. Scott just did it the wrong way. So it actually goes pretty far back there. That's really good space. I would prefer the door to have like a catch or something instead of just this, because anyone with a key card could come in this room.
Well, as long as it's been programmed, yeah.
Yeah, I know, but someone could come in. Whereas if you've got like a chain or a catch, that just stops anybody coming in. So I feel like I would feel better about that. But luckily Scott's here to protect me. And there's more useful space here. That's quite deep. You fit quite a bit on there. Another plug and a bottle opener. And you do get some bottles of water, which I think is a nice touch for a Premier Inn Hub. And the menus, and is this for the restaurant downstairs?
Yeah. Next door, Premier Inn.
Yeah. All Premier Inn Hubs have door numbers like this, and then the different lights. electronic lights. Panel lighting?
Yeah.
LED? We don't know what you call it, but this is what they look like. And yeah, so you control this from outside your room, but if you press this, I thought this was a doorbell. Okay, Scott is just going to test what those buttons do. Oh, it lights up. I don't really know what that's for though. Do not make up room. I don't know what the bell button's for because you can't. Oh, you can press it. Now it's lit up. You can press it. Did it ring?
Yeah, but it wouldn't ring if you had do not disturb on.
Oh, it didn't ring because we had do not disturb. Okay.
Welcome to my room.
Something we did realise about the lights is that you can't control the bathroom light separately. It's all or nothing. So obviously this one makes all the lights come on and it's really, really bright. And then this one turns some off. This one turns most off apart from in the bathroom, which I will show you now. So that's what the bathroom looks like when that switch is pressed. But then if you press the last one, and I can't even see it because it's too dark to see it, but then it goes completely pitch black. But what I'm not keen on is that when it's dark, like with a regular lamp, you can just lean over and press it to turn it on and off. You don't really need to have to see it. Whereas this, you would just be fumbling around and trying to find the button you needed to turn the light on. So I'm not really keen. I mean, it's not very accessible at all. Like, if you can't see these buttons, you can't use them. What do you think?
No, I think it's stupid.
Blunt and straight to the point.
I think it's stupid. Like, we should be able to turn the bathroom light on.
I know. I often, without oversharing, I often go to the toilet in the night, and now I'm gonna have to go to the toilet in the dark because otherwise I have to turn the light on in here too. Like it has got a light, but it's not really it's not very bright. But we have got the telly on now. So. And we've got our own nightlight that we always bring. Because I don't like hotel rooms that are pitch black.
And you can't see in the dark.
And I can't see in the dark, yeah. I'm not just being dramatic. I have an eye condition and I cannot see in the dark. So yeah, I'm not a fan of not being able to control the bathroom light independently is basically what I'm saying with this very convoluted explanation. So this thing is blowing out really, really cold air. Like, I'm absolutely freezing. But we literally have the temperature set to 25 degrees. Like, and it's blowing out freezing cold air, and I guarantee you this room is not 25 degrees or anywhere near it. Oh, and there's the window. That concludes our room tour. We came across these. What are they? Scott was terrified. I'm ready to head home. Have you enjoyed it? Have you enjoyed London?
London's been good, yeah.
Yeah.
The hotel not so much though.
No, we haven't really liked this hotel. And we won't stay here again.
No.
Definitely won't stay again. So this is a Premier Inn hub, and next door is an actual Premier Inn, and we went there for the breakfast, but wasn't that good either, was it?
No, it was very chaotic. It was. To be fair, it was busy, but
it was quite busy. It was laid out really weird, and they didn't restock things fast enough, like spoons and plates and pastries and things. So we didn't really like that, did we?
Yeah, like it was fine.
It was fine. It wasn't really worth the money though. The bed's comfy in the hotel room. I do like the bed. I do like a Premier Inn bed.
Yeah.
But the air vent, aircon thing doesn't work. It's either blowing hot air or cold air, and you can't change it. We can't lower the temperature in the room below 19 degrees, which I feel like, oh, it's just kicked in some more.
Yeah, it feels like
it. Want some cold air? There you go. Shower was good. Good power.
Power shower.
The hotel is in a good location. We're right over the road from Paddington Station. We could get the open top bus just down the road. Yeah, that is a plus, but
yeah,
I probably still wouldn't stay here again though.
No.
We booked a bigger room, which was £262 for 2 nights, and then breakfast on the second day was £25.98. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.